Coffee filters are a staple in many kitchens, but their utility extends far beyond brewing your favorite cup of joe. These humble paper circles can be surprisingly versatile and useful in various areas of your life. Let's explore the myriad ways you can use coffee filters, separating the truly useful tips from those that might not be worth your time. Useful rating 5 stars. These tips are practical and make everyday kitchen tasks easier. Number 1. Kitchen marvels. Straining liquids. Coffee filters make excellent substitutes for cheesecloth or fine mesh strainers. Whether you're straining broth, making homemade nut milk, or filtering tea, a coffee filter can do the job efficiently. Microwave covers. Keep your microwave clean by covering bowls or plates with a coffee filter. This prevents splatters and is safe for use in the microwave. Grease absorbers. Place a coffee filter on top of fried foods like bacon or French fries to soak up excess grease. It's an easy disposable alternative to paper towels. Herb and spice sachets. When making soups, stews, or sauces, bundle herbs and spices into a coffee filter, tie it with string, and toss it in the pot. This makes it easy to remove them later. Useful rating 5 stars. Cleaning with coffee filters is a game changer. Their lint-free quality is particularly impressive. Number 2. Cleaning companions. Window and mirror cleaner. Coffee filters are lint-free, making them perfect for cleaning glass surfaces. Use them with your favorite glass cleaner for streak-free results. Dusting cloths. Their fine texture makes coffee filters great for dusting delicate items like computer screens, TVs, and other electronics. Polishing metal. Buffing stainless steel appliances or polishing silverware with a coffee filter can help achieve a shiny, fingerprint-free finish. Useful rating 4 stars. Great for creative minds and fun projects, though perhaps less essential for everyday life. Number 3. Crafty creations. Arts and crafts. Coffee filters are a fantastic medium for kids' crafts. They can be dyed, painted, cut, and shaped into various creations like flowers, butterflies, or snowflakes. Holiday decorations. Use coffee filters to make do-it-yourself decorations like garlands, wreaths, or ornaments. They can be dyed to match any color scheme and add a handmade touch to your decor. Useful rating 5 stars. These organizational uses are clever and help keep things tidy and well ordered. Number 4. Organizational aids. Snack holders. Coffee filters make excellent single-use snack bowls. Perfect for holding popcorn, chips, or other small snacks, especially for kids. Seed starters. Start your garden by planting seeds in coffee filters filled with soil. Once the seedlings are ready, you can plant the whole thing directly into the ground. The filter will decompose naturally. Protecting dishes. Place a coffee filter between stacked plates or bowls to prevent scratches and nicks, especially useful for fine china or glassware. Useful rating 4 stars. Helpful for travel, though their effectiveness can vary depending on the situation. Number 5. Beauty and personal care. Oil blotting sheets. In a pinch, use a coffee filter to blot excess oil from your face. They're similar in texture to commercial oil blotting papers. Nail polish remover pads. Cut coffee filters into small squares to use with nail polish remover. They're sturdy enough to get the job done without falling apart. Useful rating 4 stars. Handy for quick fixes, though there are specialized products that might do the job better. Number 6. Travel essentials. Packing protection. Wrap delicate items like jewelry or glass in coffee filters to protect them during travel. They add a layer of cushioning without taking up much space. Disposable wipes. Wet a coffee filter and use it as a disposable wipe. It's not as durable as a regular wipe, but it works in a pinch. Useful rating 4 stars. These miscellaneous uses show the versatility of coffee filters in everyday life. Number 7. Miscellaneous marvels. Odor absorbers. Place a coffee filter filled with baking soda in shoes, gym bags, or the fridge to help absorb odors. It's a simple, cost-effective deodorizer. Pet cleanup. Use coffee filters to clean your pet's eyes or ears gently. They're soft and disposable, making them a hygienic option. Not worth trying, 1 star. These uses fall short of providing practical or effective solutions compared to their intended alternatives. Water filters. Some suggest using coffee filters for filtering water in survival situations. While they can remove larger particles, they won't filter out bacteria or chemicals, making them inadequate for this purpose. Temporary bandages. Using coffee filters as bandages isn't advisable. They lack the sterility and adhesive qualities necessary for proper wound care. Toilet paper substitute. In an absolute emergency, you might consider it, but coffee filters are not designed for this purpose and could cause plumbing issues. Conclusion. Coffee filters are a surprisingly versatile tool that can simplify and enhance various aspects of your daily life. From kitchen hacks to cleaning solutions, they offer practical benefits that are definitely worth trying. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, while some uses might be less effective, the majority of these tips can save you time, money, and effort, making coffee filters a must-have item beyond just brewing coffee. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.